Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a delicious, messy Giuseppe. What? It's Italian sloppy joes. Loaded with yumminess, this finger food is the elevated version of regular sloppy joes. So let's get cooking. In a skillet, we'll add Italian sausage and then turn the heat on medium-high. I'm using mild, but if you're using hot instead, don't add the red pepper flakes we'll be using later, okay? Also, here's the link on the top right corner of your screen to make your own sausage from scratch. It's super easy to do, you'll see. We'll break down the meat into small pieces and cook until no longer pink. When it's done, using a slotted spoon, we'll transfer the meat to a bowl and set aside. Now, there'll be a lot of fat left behind, so we'll discard most of it and keep about 1 tablespoon. We'll reduce the heat to medium and add yellow onions as well as red peppers. We'll season with ground sea salt and saute the vegetables for 5 minutes before adding the pressed garlic. This time, we'll quickly saute it for 1 minute. Next, we'll pour in our marinara sauce, which you can get my homemade recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Followed by brown sugar, some Italian seasoning. To get my homemade blend, you know where to click. Plus red pepper flakes. As I mentioned earlier, add it only if using mild Italian sausage. And of course, freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll stir until the ingredients are nicely blended and return the meat back to the skillet. We'll mix it well, and as soon as the mixture starts simmering, we'll place the lid ajar and cook for 15 minutes. If it bubbles too much, we'll reduce the heat to medium-low. During that time, we'll butter the tops and the bottoms of the brioche buns all the way to the edges and place them on a baking sheet lined with foil. We'll transfer to the oven under the boiler set on low for 2 to 3 minutes. You can go on high, but in the blink of an eye, the buns can turn from golden to burnt, so be careful. They won't be evenly golden brown, but the middle will be crispy. And that's exactly what we want so the sauce doesn't get them soggy. We'll now spoon the sauce on the bottom buns, covering the entire surface, before placing a slice of provolone on top of each. Mozzarella is another option. We'll transfer back under the boiler for 2 minutes or until the cheese is melted. We'll sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley, place the top buns, and enjoy. And my friends, these are our Italian sloppy joes. Loaded with deliciousness, this recipe is beyond OMG. It's another tasty version of this famous sandwich. I hope you give them a try soon. And be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!